Good morning students. Next we are going to discuss about the topic of slope. So generally what's the meaning of slope? Slope is the slanting line. Already we studied in a slanting line means what's a like that. We have to draw like this, that is called the slanting line. Slanting line. So that is we have to discuss about slope only. So if theta is the angle of inclination of a non-vertical line. So we have to see this picture. So this is a rough graph. You have to see that this is the x-axis, x dash, y-axis, y dash. So what they are given, if theta is the angle of inclination of a non-vertical straight line. So non-vertical straight line means what? This y is the vertical straight line. What they are given? Two non-vertical straight lines. So non-vertical straight line means like that you have to draw. This is called the non-vertical straight line. It makes the angle of here one angle, here one angle. So this is called the angle of inclination. So see here, if theta is the angle of inclination of a non-vertical straight line, then tan theta is called the slope. Tan theta, this theta is called the slope of this line. This theta is called the slope of the line or gradient of the line is denoted by m. So again I will say, if theta is the angle of inclination of a non-vertical straight line, then tan theta is called the slope or gradient of the line and is denoted by m. So generally these two is a two non-vertical line. It makes the angle in a x-axis. This angle is called the angle of inclination. So this is called the slope of this line. Every time you have to consider this one in the tan theta. So slope is denoted by the m. So slope we have to find out what we have to use. Slope is equal to tan theta. This is the formula. The next, the slope of straight line is m is equal to tan theta. So theta lies between 0 to 180 degree, is not in a 90 degree. Why? Because they are given the question itself is non-vertical straight line. So vertical straight line only it makes the 90 degree, is non-vertical straight line, so is not equal to theta. So tan, why we are not considered as the 90 degree, tan 90 degree is always the infinity, we can't able to find out the theta value. So the next one, to find the slope of the straight line. So again, so that is the angle they are given. We have to find out the slope is easily m is equal to tan theta. The same thing. They are given the two fixed points. So here two fixed points, line 1, line 2, two fixed points they are given. So to find out the slope of a two straight line here, two straight line means fixed points x1, y1, x2, y2, like that they are given the points, like that is there. How we are going to find out the slope? So the slope of straight line joining the points x1, y1, x2, y2. So here x1, y1, x2, y2, like this is the slope is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. This is the formula. So from theta alone they are given. You have to use the theta. M is equal to tan theta is the formula. Two straight line points they are given. 2 points they are given. We have to find out that m is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. We have to note that two notes they are given. If the slope of the lines, two lines is there, that line is a parallel lines means what is the slope? M1 slope 2 are equal. M1 is equal to M2. The same thing, slope of perpendicular line, that is the perpendicular line means M1 M2 is equal to minus 1. This condition is satisfied. M1 M2 means that is the parallel line. M1 M2 value minus 1 will come means that is the perpendicular line. Okay, thank you students.